first day in Hawaii. There's storms forecast all week. That's all week while we're here. So the sun spots are very far in between. Somewhere over in that area there is Ken, Denise and the girls. We walked down to the sea when it was raining. So it's not cold at all, it's just windy and rain. So I wrapped myself in one of their towels just to keep the wind from me, really. It's such a shame about the weather, but it's not spoiling the beauty for our first visit to Hawaii. You can still see how beautiful it is now, and of course how beautiful it would be when the sun is out. I'm hoping there'll be spots here and there. We'll have to run out and film. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. So that is Aulani, the Disney resort there. Yes, but it's got a shoulder strap.
Of course it does, because there's...
Yeah. Yeah, that is nice. Yeah, stitch one.
There's even a matching wallet.
Yeah. And then a matching top.
We've got everything.
Yeah.
This is the really nice.
Yeah, it's lovely. So we stopped to do some shopping. And they got lots of matching. Oh, they got nice artwork. And they got the matching top, so for the family. So that's it's just lovely. I really like that one. So these ones as well for a whole family. And they've even got the matching ears. I wonder whether Ken can convince Pandy to buy any. Just go and have a look over here. Nice. Salt and pepper shaker. 25. And I like that. Let's see, is that 60?
Yeah, they all make those. Oh wow.
Oh, they're nice. That's pretty. Yeah. Oh.
They're so pretty.
Yeah. So they got either side.
Oh, those fit you? Those look like baby pajamas.
Like oh man.
I was thinking of getting.
Okay, so
Yeah.
so colours as well, isn't it?
Oh, thank you. Don't know what that is.
Get my discount.
Yeah. Oh, I could do real shopping. How much does that say? 68, 58?
I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I have my glasses on, yeah.
Right. This is so bad.
Look at the camera.
98. I'm thinking about this for Woo! Oh, I love that. And I've got my flower, and I've also got a brand new magic band, an Aulani magic band that's got my profile linked up to it and also my credit card. So she said I can buy whatever I want now.
I know.
And the sun is out, and it's a whole different place when the sun is out. It's so beautiful. And we're here with royalty.
Yeah.
This is Ken, who works in Bar Eva. If you see him, say hello. In Riviera Resort in Orlando. He's one of the most famous people after the mouse guy.
After the mouse.
After the mouse guy. This is a koi carp. Yeah. Koi carp pond. Oh, it's beautiful. There's the Aulani Resort, and right across the road is Monkeypod, which is like a bar and restaurant and a lot better value, cheaper than the Aulani Resort apparently. And it's a 5 to 7 minute walk from
Come on, honey.
Aulani.
But some people call them slippers.
Slippers.
Some people call them slippers.
Yeah. Ed Addison's got the ramen noodles, so it's so good. Is the pizza good, Pandy? The fish tacos and the shrimp skillet. And I had the chowder. Really nice. It was the coconut chowder.